Here we go again, back into the Solana ecosystem where we will be farming the next big airdrop known as Drift. The Drift protocol is a perpetual decentralized exchange which allows you to trade crypto with up to 20x leverage. A lot of you will love this, and although I'm not a trader myself, I'll be using Drift to farm the token. There are also other features on the platform that I will show you how to use, which will help us to qualify for the Drift airdrop, which could net us hundreds or even thousands of dollars. I must mention that you will need a minimum of $56 to get started. That is precise, but I just had to let you know. So welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Okay, let's jump straight into the video. And as you can see, we're officially on the Drift website, which is app.drift.trade. And I will leave all the official links down below. I'll leave the website and the Twitter or the X page as you would know it now. Now, as you can see, also AVAX has landed onto the page. We can now start trading AVAX with Perpetuals, allowing us to leverage trade AVAX. Absolutely amazing. We can see other top assets, obviously Solana, because this is the network that it's on. We've got Bitcoin, which today is a huge day for crypto history. Bitcoin just got the ETF approval, which is obviously up and away from here. Now, we've got Ethereum, obviously, we've got AVAX, Optimism, Arbitrum, BNB, XRP, Doge, Link, Matic, Inge, Aptos, TIA, Say, Render, and so many more. Guys, all the top cryptocurrencies are basically up and available to trade perpetually. Now, if you are a trader yourself, then you're going to absolutely love the Drift protocol. Myself, I do not really know how to trade. I'm not one for charts or reading charts, and I don't want to kid myself by saying that I do. So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to trade to the best of my ability. So don't laugh if you see me doing anything badly, and I would not recommend following any of my trading advice whatsoever. What we're going to do is, guys, first of all, we're going to be connecting our wallet. And to do so, guys, we go up to the top right corner. As you can see, we see the connect button. Click that. It's going to ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. Obviously, read and understand everything before you do so. And here you can choose either the Phantom or MetaMask wallet. Now, purely because we're focusing on the Solana ecosystem, I like to use my Phantom wallet for that case. So I'm going to be using my Phantom wallet. So as you can see, the app asks to see your wallet balance and request approvals for transaction. Click connect. So as you can see here, guys, if you want to deposit funds from your Arbitrum and Ethereum networks, you would just click this button here. You can choose it from BNB chain and so on. However, we're going to be using the Solana Phantom wallet like we said, and we're going to be using the Solana network as our primary focus. So as you can see down here, this is my Solana wallet address, which we can confirm up in my Phantom wallet. If we go up here, and as you can see, SCAP down here. Now, what we want to choose is Solana or whatever available asset that you have and that you want to deposit within the protocol. And when you come to deposit, guys, it says here you're going to need a minimum initial deposit of $50. If you do not have $50, then you will not be able to use this protocol. However, you can deposit later and just explore the browser if you like. However, it's going to cost you $50 with an account setup fee of around $5, which is 0.0485 SOL to be precise, and that's the currency that you'll be paying. So obviously we're going to want to continue with this video, so I'm going to get some more Solana in my wallet, and I'm just going to transfer it from another wallet. So once I click my fingers, you'll see more Solana just appear. And voila, now you can see that I've got 0.93 Solana, which is roughly $93.86. Now, what we want to do is, guys, we want to deposit a minimum of $50. As you can see at the bottom, a minimum of initial deposit has to be $50, and it costs 0.0485 Solana to create an account. The rent is 0.0385 with a new creation fee of 0.01 SOL. The rent is currently higher due to increased user activity, but can be reclaimed after 13 days when you delete your account. So if you want to delete your account and reclaim your SOL, no problem. So what we do is we click the I understand buttons once you do agree, and then you just input the amount of Solana that you would like to deposit, but remember it has to be a minimum of $50 worth. So as you can see, I'm going to put in 0.555 Solana. I'm going to click deposit. As you can see, it's adding on the fees for me. I'm going to click confirm, just like so. It's confirming our deposit. Deposit successful. I now have 0.333 Solana with $33.33. I love those numbers. And superb. We can see my main account is connected up the top. Up the top, we can see a giveaway going on. So if we take a look, Drift Draw, every $1 of taker volume, you can earn up to 10 tickets for the draw, which is based on the fee tier. The more you trade, the more tickets you accumulate, the higher your chances of winning the prize. The prize is drawn directly from the fees collected in the protocol-owned portion of the insurance fund throughout the week. That means the more you trade, the bigger the prize for you to win. So each week, randomly selected winners have a chance of splitting one of 3 prizes. Winnings will land in your USDC insurance fund vault and will continue to earn yield until you choose to unstake and withdraw. Wicked. To be eligible for the draw, you just need to opt in and you'll be set. You only need to do this once and you're automatically eligible for each draw in the following weeks. Every draw uses switchboard functions to query on-demand verifiable randomness. So basically, it will just pick a random person without you having to worry it being fixed. So apparently you can collect up to 100 million tickets. Every Monday at 2 p.m, one of the prizes will be randomly selected and split amongst 3 lucky winners with the allocation as follows: 50, 20, and 15%. So assuming the max prize is $10,000, you have a 1 in 21 chance. If it's $5,000, a 4 in 21 chance, and $1,000, 16 in 21. This is absolutely fantastic and we can win ourselves a lot of money, which is great. All we have to do is click enter draw. Here it says Drift Draw is a weekly event you can enter for the chance to win the grand prize. Here's a quick summary of how it works. Increasing your odds of winning. Earn up to 10 tickets for every $1 in taker volume traded. Every Monday at 2 p.m. UTC, one of 3 potential prize pools will be randomly selected to be distributed amongst winners. 3 lucky users will be randomly selected for the top prize. Didn't snag the top prize, up to 30 users will be rewarded with a special consolation prize. If the grand prize wasn't selected, the remainder is carried over to grow the prize pools the following week. Wow guys, that can be a lot of money, and this could grow to be just a nice little lottery that we can get ourselves into every week. Now I'm probably going to learn how to trade now because I would like to start entering into this prize pool. I mean, people, if they're getting loads of tickets, they can earn so much money, especially when there's $200,000 in the pot. Now click agree and continue if you want to. All you have to do is pay a little fee, otherwise it's free to do so. And you'll see at the bottom right, you've entered the draw. My camera's probably in the way, but if I move it up for a second, you can see you've entered the draw. So I've received 1 free ticket just for signing up to the draw. As you can see, I've got 1 ticket up top. As you can see, if I go to the deposit and withdraw button, I can see my asset balance of 0.555, which I deposited. And then every time you want to deposit, guys, you have to input $50. If you want to withdraw, all you do is go to the withdraw button, click max or however much you want to withdraw, and then click confirm. If you want to borrow assets, that's really cool as well because you can do. I'm not the one to do this sort of thing. However, you can borrow Solana. However, there are risks for doing so. If you want to transfer assets, guys, you can transfer assets from a main account to a secondary account or another account. Just simply add an account and then transfer your assets. From here, guys, what we want to do is we just simply want to get as many transactions and as much volume as possible. 1 to qualify for the airdrop and 2 to qualify for the weekly prize pool, which is now $200,000, and we can snatch a big percentage of that just by winning the prize. Now, on the left hand side, guys, you can see the long short option, and you're up the top above that you can see which asset you want to trade. Now at the moment it's set to Solana, assuming as that we're on the Solana network, it only makes sense. But like we said, we can use AVAX, SAY, Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX, ARB, and so on. But why don't we choose Solana just for the sake of it? Here you can see how much leverage you want to choose as well. It's only allowing us to do 6 leverage with the Solana token, or 6.07 anyway, which gives us a maximum spending ability of $336 when I only have around $55. Now, that is the power of leverage, my friends. If you know how to use it, it is a great tool. If not, it's going to destroy you all the way down to sub-zero and below. So I would be very, very cautious when using leverage, and I'd probably avoid it at all costs if possible. So guys, you just want to trade by either longing or shorting the market. Like I said before, do not take my trading advice whatsoever. But what you want to do is you just want to get as much volume and as many of these transactions as possible. So let's just say I did $15 worth of Solana. I'm using leverage of 0.27x and I'm longing Solana. Now, obviously, like I said, do not take my trading advice. If I click long, you just click the button simply, you'll get a transaction and a network fee of 0.0004 Solana, which is nothing. Click confirm, and you can see that we've placed the order limit. On the bottom, we can see orders, and now you can see I've placed a Solana long. Now, if I move my camera over just so you can see things better just for a second, I'm gonna lift it up. Here you can edit it. So for example, you can change the size or the limit price, or you can just cancel it by clicking the red button like I said. For the sake of it, I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna cancel it. All it is confirm the transaction, and bang, it is done completely. Our order is now closed. We do not have any trades open. We can still see that we've got $55 worth of Solana, so it's all good. And from here, guys, you would just want to trade other assets as well. Maybe just mix it around with Solana, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Bitcoin, OP, XRP, and so on. Try not to just trade one asset. Like I said, get as much volume as possible. Try and long, short, and do whatever you want. With ETH, you can trade up to 20x leverage, which is even more powerful. If you just want to spot trade, guys, that was Perpetuals, but just buying and selling is very simple as well. So I can set a buy price or a sell price, for example. Say if I want to buy Solana at $99.3, I would set the amount. So you have to enable spot margin trading, click save, click confirm, go back, and here I'm just going to do 10. So as you can see, I'm going to buy the Solana for 0.1. You can change the leverage however you like. Let's just say I did $12 worth. You can click buy sol, and then when the price hits $99.30, if it does, it will fulfill my order. However, if it doesn't, then obviously it is not going to fulfill it. But like I said before, what you can do is, I'm going to move my camera once again. If I just move it up and I show you down here, you can choose the little pencil button to edit your order. So you can choose the limit price once again or the size, or if you want to, you can just cancel it just by clicking this button here, which I'll show you right now. Click confirm, and that's how you would cancel. Obviously try and qualify for the airdrop, guys. You're trying to open as many transactions and keep as much volume as possible. Once you've done the trade on the spot, guys, and we've done perpetuals and spot now, next up we want to go over to swap under the trade section, which is the last of the three. We've done perpetuals, we've done spot trading, and now we've got swapping, which is just very simply swapping your tokens. And for this one, I'm going to move my camera to the left. On the right hand side, you can see USDC and SOL, for example. But we've only got Solana tokens, obviously, as we deposit that into the platform. We didn't deposit USDC. We can actually swap tokens with leverage here, guys. I don't know exactly how that works, but it is as simple as just swapping, say, for a Solana with USDC. If we click the leverage button, we can swap with 5x leverage, for example, into USDC, and I'll be able to swap 3.29 Solana into $329 when I definitely do not have that. But I'm not going to be doing that because I do not understand it, and that would not be a wise idea. So instead, you could just do simple stuff like swapping 0.1 Solana into USDC, which would give you 10 USDC. It's powered by Jupiter Exchange, which is another airdrop that we've been farming. I did a tutorial on how to use the Jupiter Exchange, not focused on the airdrop, but it would definitely qualify you for the airdrop after the first one. The first airdrop is taking place soon, and most people are already eligible. So you just click swap, and then all you do is confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. So the good news is, guys, that you'll obviously qualify for the Drift airdrop and the Jupiter airdrop just by using the swap feature. Now we've done swap, spot, and perpetuals. Let's move on to the earn section. So I like this part. I want to go and lend and borrow some assets. So as you can see over here, guys, we've got $120.8 million in TVL, $139.6 million been deposited, with $30.4 million being borrowed. A total of 83,000 users have used this protocol, my friends. So you can be one of the top users to qualify for the airdrop. There's not many users using this, and we have got a good chance to earn a nice sum of money. As we can see here, guys, we can choose assets to either lend or borrow. And for the sake of it, guys, I want to do Solana. So if I click deposit, as you can see here, guys, there's a deposit APR of 0.31%, which will be my earnings. Obviously, the other assets have different APRs. So for example, USDC has 3.66, wrapped Bitcoin has 0.05, USDT has 2.14, and the list goes on depending on your risk tolerance. Now, for the sake of it, like I said, I'm going to do the Solana because I have those assets and I feel comfortable with doing it. And all you have to do, however much you want to do, is completely up to you. Confirm deposit, and then you click confirm. As you can see here, guys, deposited assets automatically earn yield through lending. You can learn more about it by clicking this little button, and whenever you want to withdraw, it is as simple as going to withdraw and then clicking the amount that you want to withdraw from your balance. Like I said, if you want to borrow assets, my friends, all you do is click the borrow button and choose the amount that you want to borrow, and obviously the asset that you want to borrow. Remember, the risks are very, very high, and only borrow if you know how to do so. That is the lending and borrowing. Try and do that as much as possible, guys, because you will qualify for the airdrop. It will help you anyway. Now, going over to earn and going over to the insurance fund staking, you can simply stake assets to earn yield and qualify for the airdrop. So stake your assets into an insurance fund vault and earn a portion of the fees from perp trades, borrows, and liquidations. The insurance fund is the protocol's backstop to maintaining the solvency of the protocol. So we can see your revenue, the payments. We can also see a detailed breakdown if we wish, and a socialized loss in the performance of the last 7 days. We have a selection of assets that we can choose to deposit, such as USDC, Solana, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, and so on. We've got more coming soon. However, the top ones seem to be USDC, Solana, and SOL, but obviously I'm going to be choosing Solana once again. Now, for the sake of it, I'm only just going to do a little bit. Obviously, I would highly recommend doing as much as you possibly can. The more you do, the more you're going to qualify for the airdrop. So you confirm the stake, and it is all done. If you want to unstake, there is a little button for you to do so. All you have to do is quickly click unstake, click max or the amount that you want to unstake, and then you request unstake. Now, as you can see here, guys, it is available for withdrawal on the 24th of January, which means that I have to wait exactly 13 days to withdraw if I wish. You can only have one pending unstake request per vault at a time. You can cancel a request at any time, noting your 13-day cooldown period will restart upon any new unstake request. Fantastic. Okay, very easy to understand. And we are now earning 5.84% APR on that Solana. Next up, guys, we've got DLP, Drift Liquidity Provider. So with DLP, anyone can participate in market making on Drift. By contributing liquidity to a perpetual market, you'll take on a share of the VAM's positions as a counterparty to Drift traders. As new trades are filled, your positions are automatically adjusted. LPs earn a share of trading fees. Superb. So obviously, you can see this one is in a minus. On the 30-day return, you've got a 551% return. And then you can see the same with the other one. But depending on which assets you want to choose is all up to you. So for me, I'm just going to be choosing the Sol Perp, and I'm going to be adding liquidity. It's as simple as choosing as much Solana as we want to deposit. I'm just going to do, say, another 0.0333. Like I said, the more you do, the better it is. Here it says no LP sub-account detected. To easily track your LP at profit and loss, keep trading activity and LPing in separate sub-accounts. Create an LP sub-account below. Why not? And all you would do is, guys, you would just simply choose between your Drift Liquidity Provider account and your main account, and then you would just quickly just choose the amount that you want to do. Obviously, it's up to you, and there is a minimum of $10, I believe. I do not want to be doing this at liquidity providing. I know there's a lot of risks, but if you want to do so, it's very simple. You just use it. Use leverage as well if you like with liquidation risks, but it's as simple as adding and removing on the providing liquidity on whichever pool that you want to choose. Obviously, some have bigger and better returns, but that all depends on your risk tolerance. Now, also, guys, if you've got any friends that you want to use the protocol, all you do is go over to more, go over to referrals, and you just create yourself a referral link. For every new trader that signs up with your link, you'll earn 15% of their trading fees as a reward. Now, I'm going to leave my referral link for you guys if you want to use it. That would be highly appreciated. But if not, no worries at all. Now, that's basically it for this video, my friends. We've covered this whole protocol, well, pretty much everything anyway. Like I said, if you want to withdraw, you can do so at any time. Just go up to the top right corner, click deposit or withdraw, which I'm going to be doing withdraw for now. You click max for the amount that you want to do, you click confirm, and then you pay a small fee in your wallet. So I'm not going to be doing that. I want to qualify for the airdrop. You can take a look at your balances, your overall everything, all through the Drift protocol. I'm very fond of this. I think it's very cool. Try and get yourself as many tickets for the prize of $200,000, which is absolutely huge. And good luck to everyone. And obviously, guys, if you're here, you love crypto airdrops, and we have actually over 41 different crypto airdrops for you guys to check out, with 67 different videos and more joining the list every single week. You can get ahead of the game and qualify for so many different crypto airdrops where we're trying to earn $100,000. Now, obviously, this is a stretch, but we are on our way to it, my friends, and I believe we will do it. The more airdrops we do, the higher the odds, and I like these odds. My friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content. And we also have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.